Picture this, you're sipping coffee in a posh cafe in Zurich, surrounded by some of the world's wealthiest individuals. They're not just here for the breathtaking views or the chocolate. They're here for something far more powerful, something that gives them freedom, security, and control. Swiss banks. But why? Why do the rich adore Swiss banks while the rest of us treat banks as mere savings accounts? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of why Swiss banks have become synonymous with wealth, mystery, and power. But first, let me ask you this. If I handed you a key to a vault filled with secrets of the rich, would you take it? Of course, you would. And that's exactly what we're doing today. So buckle up. It's about to get fascinating. Swiss banks didn't just stumble into their reputation. They've been carefully cultivating it for over 300 years. It all started in the 18th century when Swiss bankers swore to protect the identities and assets of their clients, no matter what. This wasn't just a marketing gimmick. It became a legal obligation. And as history unfolded, from wars to economic upheavals, the rich realized that Swiss banks were more than just institutions. They were fortresses. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. To truly understand why the wealthy flock to Switzerland, we need to explore the features that make these banks so unique. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand their allure, you'll also discover lessons you can apply to build your own financial fortress. Intrigued? Let's dig deeper. Chapter 1. Privacy like no other. Imagine being able to store your wealth without anyone knowing. No nosy relatives, no prying governments, and certainly no unsolicited sales calls. That's exactly what Swiss banks offer. Their legendary secrecy laws ensure that client identities and account details are kept under wraps. In fact, breaking these laws could land a Swiss banker in prison. So, while your local banker is busy offering free toasters for opening a savings account, Swiss bankers are out there guarding secrets like they're in a James Bond movie. But this privacy isn't just about hiding. It's about protection. Think about it. If you were a billionaire, would you want your wealth exposed to hackers or opportunistic lawsuits? Swiss banks provide a shield, and that shield has been battle-tested for centuries. Chapter 2. Stability amid chaos. Here's a chilling fact. Economies can crumble overnight, banks can fail, and currencies can lose their value in a flash. But in Switzerland, financial stability is practically a national pastime. Their currency, the Swiss franc, is one of the most stable in the world, and their economy is designed to weather storms. During World War II, while much of Europe was in turmoil, Swiss banks stood unshaken. And even in modern times, whether it's the 2008 financial crisis or the pandemic-induced economic shocks, Switzerland has remained a safe haven. The rich don't just want their money to grow, they want it to survive. But privacy and stability are just the tip of the iceberg. There's another reason the wealthy swear by Swiss banks. Something even more elusive and powerful. Stick around, because what we're about to uncover next will make you question everything you thought you knew about banking. Chapter 3. Tax efficiency, not evasion. Let's clear up a myth. Swiss banks aren't about illegal tax evasion. They're about smart, lawful tax efficiency. The rich use these banks to diversify their portfolios and structure their wealth in a way that minimizes tax liabilities. Swiss banks offer unparalleled expertise in global tax laws, helping their clients stay compliant while optimizing their finances. Think of it this way, while you're struggling to figure out how to file your taxes before the deadline, the rich have a team of Swiss experts ensuring they keep as much of their money as possible. This isn't about dodging responsibilities, it's about playing the financial game at a level most of us can only dream of. Chapter 4. Tailored services for the elite. Swiss banks don't just offer accounts, they offer a lifestyle. Imagine having a personal banker who knows your financial goals, dreams, and even your favorite wine. These banks provide customized investment strategies, wealth planning, and even art advisory services. Yes, you heard that right, they'll even help you manage your million-dollar art collection. For the ultra-wealthy, this level of service isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And Swiss banks have mastered the art of making their clients feel like royalty. So, what's the lesson here for you? It's not just about dreaming of opening a Swiss bank account. It's about adopting the mindset of the wealthy. The rich prioritize privacy, stability, and expertise in managing their money. They don't just save, they strategize. They don't just spend, they invest. You don't need to be a millionaire to start thinking like one. Build your financial fortress, make informed decisions, and always keep your wealth protected. But wait, what about the future of Swiss banks? Are they losing their lure in a world of cryptocurrencies and new financial regulations? Or are they evolving to stay ahead of the curve? That's a story for another day. Subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss it.